Good day, my distinguished viewers. Today we'll be looking at equations with fractions. And for you to solve any question under equations that has fractions like this, you must follow these steps. If not, you just have to follow these steps. So what are the things? Always clear fraction before beginning to solve an equation. That means you must make sure you clear all your fraction. And for you to clear fractions, multiply each term in the equation by the LCM of the denominators of the fraction. Now let's have this example. Remember from this explanation, the first thing I'm going to do is to clear the fraction. And for me to do that, I must find the LCM of my denominator. So this is a fraction on its own. This is not the fraction, but this 2 is standing on its own. If you like, you can make it as 2/1. So this a fraction, this is another one, this is another one. So there are 2 denominators because this one is not given, but you know it's 1, and 1 has nothing to do with what I want to do. So the 2 denominators that I have is 5 and 2, and the LCM is 10. So now I'm going to multiply each term in the equation by 10. So I'll multiply this one by 10, this by 10, and this by 10. So now let's see, I've written it already. So this I have this and then now I will divide 5 here 1, 5 here 2. So nothing to divide here, 2 here 1, 2 here 5. So that means I'm going to have 2. Instead of this multiplication, I can put bracket and have this minus this, close my bracket. 10 times this one will give me 20, minus 5 times x will give me 5x. So the next thing for me to do is to clear the brackets, or you remove the brackets. So 2 times this will give you 2x, times this will give you minus 8 equal to 20 minus 5x. Next thing, I can collect like terms. So you collect like terms. So I will have 2x. I'll bring my unknown here to the left hand side. So this one crossing here will give me plus 5x is equals to, this one remain as 20, this one come here will give me plus 8. So at the end of the day I have 7x, this one will give me 28. So that means you now divide both sides by 7, or just say x is equals to 28 divided by 7. Finally, 7 here 1, 7 here is 4. So x is equals to 4. Number 2. Now let's solve the second question. So remember what I said. For you to, the first thing I'm going to do is to clear the fraction. I'm going to clear the fraction. You are going to find the LCM of your denominator. Here now I have 2 denominators, that's 6 and 2. My LCM is 6. So I'll say the LCM of 6 and 2 is 6. So now I'm going to multiply. I'll multiply each term by what? By 6. So I will have 6 times n minus 6 times n over 6 equals to 6 times 5 over 2. So 6 times n will give me 6n. Minus, so 6 will cancel 6. So that means I have minus n. 2 here 1, 2 here 3. So I have 3 times 5, which is 15. I just put it as 15. So if you look at it now, multiplying it through by the LCM, I've already cleared the fraction. So what is the next? Thank God this one, I don't need to collect like terms. This one and this one, they are together already. So I now have 6n minus n will give me 5n, which is equals to 15. Now you can divide both sides by 5. Divide both sides by 5. So what we have? We have 5n over 5 is equal to 15 over 5. 5 will cancel 5 to give you n. 5 here 1, 5 here 3. That means my n is equals to 3. If you like my video, please try to give me the thumb up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Try to follow me on my Facebook page. That's Mathematics Tutor. Thanks.